Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I have another story about Anna. In the last episode, Anna visited the museum. She learned many interesting things. She also met Daniel. Today, Anna and Daniel are going to have a picnic. Let's begin. It is a warm Sunday morning. The sky is bright blue. The sun is shining. A gentle breeze moves through the trees. It is a perfect day to spend outside. Anna looks out of her window. She smiles. Today is going to be a wonderful day. Daniel sends Anna a message. Would you like to have a picnic in the park today? Anna quickly replies, Yes, that sounds great. They decide to meet at 10 o'clock. Before leaving, Anna prepares some food. She makes fresh sandwiches. She cuts apples into small pieces. She washes some strawberries. She packs a bottle of water, a bottle of orange juice, and a small chocolate cake. She puts everything into a picnic basket. Then she takes a large blanket. Now, she is ready. The city park is beautiful. Green trees are everywhere. Colorful flowers are blooming. Birds are singing. Families are walking together. Children are playing. Some people are riding bicycles. Others are reading books on the grass. The park feels peaceful. Daniel is already waiting near a large oak tree. He waves when he sees Anna. Good morning. Good morning, Anna replies. I'm happy you could come. So am I, Daniel says. They find a quiet place under the tree. Anna spreads the blanket on the grass. Together, they place the food on the blanket. Everything looks delicious. Daniel smiles. You prepared so much food. Anna laughs. I wanted to share. They begin eating. The sandwiches are fresh. The fruit is sweet. The juice is cold. The weather is perfect. They enjoy every moment. While they eat, they practice English together. Daniel points to the basket. What is this called? A picnic basket, Anna answers. Then Anna asks, What do we call this? She holds up a blanket. A blanket, Daniel replies. They continue learning new words while talking naturally. After lunch, they walk around the park. They see ducks swimming in a small lake. Children are flying colorful kites. A man is playing the guitar. Several people are taking photographs. Anna stops for a moment. This park is beautiful. Daniel smiles. Every season looks different here. Soon, they rent 2 bicycles. They ride slowly along a quiet path. Fresh air fills their lungs. They laugh together. They enjoy the peaceful afternoon. Neither of them wants the day to end. Later, they sit on a wooden bench. Anna opens her notebook. She writes down the new English words she learned today. Daniel looks at her. You practice every day. Anna smiles. Even small steps help me improve. Daniel nods. That's why your English gets better every week. Before going home, they clean everything carefully. They collect every piece of trash. They leave the park exactly as they found it. Anna believes everyone should help keep nature clean. Daniel agrees. As the sun begins to set, they walk toward the park entrance. The sky turns orange and pink. It is a beautiful evening. Anna feels thankful. She spent the day with a good friend. She practiced English, and she enjoyed nature. For her, it was a perfect Sunday. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Do you like having picnics? What food do you usually bring? Tell us in the comments. Keep practicing your English every day. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.